So this makes me a giant child. But welcome to my favorite Christmas present. I think it's hilarious. It's a fully, rubber wheel, full suspension, back and front differentials RC car. And it looks like my car, sort of, without the wing and without all the liveries and, whatever. It's my cool little, like, I'm an adult, but not really an adult present to gift, whatever, Christmas present. And we're going to do some slow-mo stuff in this video because it's hilarious. Ta-da! Sorry for the clickbait, but, whatever. And because I didn't film this earlier, and the video is probably 10 seconds of the beginning and 30 seconds of slow-mo, here's the inside of it. Which, if you haven't seen an actual, an RC car, well, here you go. Ta-da! There's your big old electric motor. There's your battery. Here is your differentials, or I guess you call them differentials, yeah. Things that make both wheels spin. Because if you look, if you spin that wheel spins the opposite way. So it's an open diff, I guess you'd call it. And it's got one on the front and the back. Obviously, you got fully independent suspension on all four corners. The back springs are actually a different tension, or like a different strength than the front. There's your, I guess you'd want to call it your control arm. I mean, it's, that makes the wheels turn. When you do that, I really don't want to do too much of it. I'm not really gonna, whatever. And then, so this is the cool little thing. It's super quick. I think it says like 30 miles an hour if you're full bore, which I don't know if that's true. I'll have to actually put it on the road somewhere and go. But the rubber wheels, they actually come off. There's you get a tool that you can take them off if you have to replace them, I guess. You get different gears too for something. I'm assuming for in there for the actual drive of it. But it's pretty cool. I saw one of these posted I don't know, forever ago, maybe a year, half a year, something like that. And I think it was Subaru.com or Subaru whatever. Somewhere there was one posted, and I couldn't find one forever. So when I saw that I think they started making these as a Christmas gift for, because people think they're cool and wanted them. And now every Subaru dealership in the country, if you look up Subaru RC car, it's literally just every single one of them has these things for sale, which I can see why, because they're just cool. So obviously this is gonna go, I don't know what this is gonna go in the video, but you're gonna see the clickbait part, a bunch of the different slow-mo and stuff I was doing. I filmed on slow-mo on my iPhone. I also filmed, I think, just normal regular speed stuff on a Canon camcorder, and whatever, not a DSLR, but just a normal handheld camera or video camera. So you're gonna get some of that too, and I don't know how I'm gonna left and right it or what, because this is slow-mo and the other side's normal speed and whatever. But yeah, here's my my Sti Racecar. But yeah, if you can find one of these things and you're into RC cars, they're super cool. So obviously I played around with it for, I think it has a 10-minute battery life, and I played around with it for at least 10 minutes today, doing donuts and back and forward, doing start and stops, trying to get slow-mo footage of the tires kicking stuff up, and it does a pretty good job of it. So highly would recommend. Super fun, super, oh, there's your little transmitter too. But yeah, peace.